Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we have a product that's a real game changer for anyone who loves both cutting-edge technology and stunning home decor. If you're someone who appreciates a TV that doubles as a piece of art, the TCL 65-inch class NXTVISION Series picture frame canvas art TV is something you'll definitely want to hear about. With a blend of ultra-slim design, picture quality, and customizable features, this TV promises to elevate your living space like never before. But does it deliver on its promises? Let's take a closer look. The TCL 65-inch class NXTVISION Series is not just another smart TV. It's a vision of how TVs can seamlessly blend into your home decor. The ultra-slim design, measuring just 1.1 inches deep, makes it one of the thinnest all-in-one NXTVISION TVs on the market. If you're used to bulky TVs that disrupt the flow of your room, this one offers a refreshing change. Even better, it comes with a flush wall mount that allows the TV to sit tight against the wall, ensuring that it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb in your living room. Not only does this make for a sleek and elegant look, but the installation is made easy thanks to the built-in chassis that doesn't require an external box. A feature that stands out right away is the off-white bezel, which gives this TV a minimalist yet modern aesthetic that can easily blend into almost any room. Along with the bezel, TCL includes a light wood-colored magnetic frame that you can add to the TV for a more traditional picture frame look. This magnetic frame makes it incredibly easy to change the style of the TV whenever you like, making it adaptable to various seasons or design trends. When it comes to picture quality, the TCL NXTVISION TV doesn't disappoint. Equipped with QLED technology, it promises vibrant colors, deep blacks, and impressive contrast. The 4K HDR resolution ensures that you get crystal clear detail in every scene, whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing video games. The screen also features an ultra-matte anti-glare coating, which reduces reflections and makes sure that you get the best viewing experience from any angle. It's perfect for bright rooms where most TVs struggle with glare. Now let's talk about the AI art capability. This feature is a big draw for those looking to turn their TV into a piece of art when it's not in use. The NXTVISION comes preloaded with a curated art library and offers multiple matte options to suit different tastes. You can also upload your own photos to create a personal photo gallery mode, transforming the TV into a dynamic art display that complements your space. The ability to switch between different art pieces at the touch of a button is a brilliant idea, particularly for those who enjoy a living space that's always evolving. In terms of performance, the TCL NXTVISION is powered by the Google TV interface, giving you access to a wide range of apps, streaming services, and Google Assistant integration. The voice remote makes navigating the interface a breeze, and with support for Alexa, Google, and Apple streaming, you're not limited to any one ecosystem. Whether you're watching Netflix, YouTube, or browsing through the thousands of other available apps, everything loads smoothly, and the 120 Hz refresh rate ensures that fast-moving content, like sports or action-packed movies, remains clear and fluid. However, while this TV offers a lot of great features, there are a few things that may not suit everyone. The lack of VESA mount compatibility is a notable limitation for those who prefer to use their own mounting solutions. Also, while the ultra-slim design is visually stunning, it can make the TV feel a little less sturdy compared to bulkier models, though this is a minor issue if you're using the included wall mount. One of the standout strengths of this TV is the audio experience. With Dolby Atmos audio, the sound quality is much better than what you'd typically expect from a slim profile TV. It creates a more immersive experience, especially when paired with the stunning visuals. However, for true audiophiles, you might still want to pair it with an external sound system for a more enhanced audio experience. As for value for money, it's hard not to be impressed with the NXTVISION's combination of features. It offers a high-quality 4K HDR QLED display, advanced smart capabilities, and a stylish design that's more than just a TV. Compared to other similarly priced models, the NXTVISION offers a unique blend of home decor and technology that is hard to find in the same price range. However, if you're looking for a TV that prioritizes performance over design, there might be other options that offer slightly better performance for the same price. When comparing the TCL NXTVISION to other 65-inch smart TVs in the market, a direct competitor would be models like the Samsung QLED series or LG's OLED TVs. These models generally excel in pure image quality, especially when it comes to contrast ratios and color accuracy. However, the TCL NXTVISION stands apart due to its combination of aesthetics and functionality, something that's missing in most other high-end models. If you value a TV that can double as an art display, this is an easy winner. The build quality of the TCL NXTVISION feels premium, and the slim profile doesn't take away from the durability of the device. The matte finish of the screen is particularly durable and resists fingerprints, which is a huge plus for anyone with kids or pets. As for longevity, it's too early to tell how the device will hold up over time. But given TCL's strong reputation for producing solid, affordable tech, it's safe to assume that it will serve you well for years to come. Customer service interactions with TCL are typically positive, with quick response times and helpful troubleshooting. Though there hasn't been a need to contact them frequently for this particular model, the brand's existing reputation for decent support speaks well for the overall user experience. To wrap it up, the TCL 65-inch class NXTVISION Series picture frame canvas art TV is a unique entry into the world of smart TVs. It offers a blend of functionality, aesthetics, and cutting-edge features that make it stand out in a crowded market. Whether you're a design enthusiast looking to integrate a TV into your home decor, or someone who wants an excellent 4K smart TV experience with the added bonus of an art display, the NXTVISION is worth considering. Thank you for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV. If you have any questions or thoughts on this product, feel free to share them in the comments below. And don't forget, the link to get the product can be found in the comments box. Goodbye till next time, and remember, there's always something new to discover inside the world of tech with Reviews Inside TV.